Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Did you know that your metabolism is as unique as your fingerprints? Some people's body metabolize food faster, while unfortunately other people's body metabolize food a bit slower. Why does that happen? Because metabolism is basically your body's process of taking the food you eat, breaking it down into simple components and converting it into energy for you to sustain yourself throughout the day. The slower your body processes food into usable energy, the more likely it is for your body to store that calorie into your fat storage, leading to weight gain. So if you think that you're gaining weight without any reason because you have a slow metabolism, then watch this video till the end and I will tell you how to fix it. Share this video with a friend who you think is suffering from a slow metabolism. Most people think that your metabolism has to do with your genetics, something that your parents, grandparents, great-great-grandparents passed down to you. And while genetics are an important part of your metabolism, they are not the only part. And of course, it's easier to blame your weight gain on a slow metabolism. However, there are lots of things that you can do which actually slows down your metabolism, such as your diet, lack of exercise or physical activity, sleeping habits, and other factors that are involved in your metabolism. So let's find out how you can boost your metabolism naturally. When most people think of losing weight or increase their metabolism, what is the first thing that they think of? Of course, limit their calorie intake. While that's a valid solution, it could unfortunately backfire. Think of it this way: when you fill your fuel in the car, it runs smoothly and steadily. However, when the fuel goes low, the car starts struggling because it does not have the energy. In the same way, when you're not giving your body enough fuel or food, it slows down the metabolism or speed at which it is burning calories because it thinks that it's running out of fuel completely, which leads to either a plateau or weight gain. So yes, staying in the calorie deficit is a very good solution for a short term, but make sure that you do not restrict calories too much or for too long, otherwise your metabolism will slow down. The second mistake that people make when they want to increase their metabolism is not following a proper diet. To be honest with you, there are no magic foods that suddenly boost your metabolism. However, having a balanced diet can really go a long way to help you boost your metabolism. A balanced diet focuses on unprocessed carbohydrates such as whole grains, seeds, legumes, and vegetables. Protein such as chicken, egg, and mutton can really help you. For vegetarians, you can have beans, tofu, paneer, etc. And healthy fats such as fatty fish, nuts, olives are really helpful. Guys, exercise, exercise, exercise. I cannot stress enough how important physical activity is when it comes to increasing your metabolism. Regular exercise, even if it's just 30 minutes walk in your building complex, please go and do it because it helps your body burn extra energy. Strength training also helps you to boost your metabolism by helping you burn more calories even while you're resting. And for example, one study found that the participants' resting metabolism had a 9% increase over a period of 24 weeks of weight training. For example, let us say your metabolism is 2000 calories per day, which is the amount of calories that your body burns just to stay alive. With weight training at 9%, your metabolism increases almost by 200 calories, meaning that now you're burning 2200 calories just while you're resting. Isn't that amazing news, guys? In another study, it was found that the resting metabolism stayed elevated for almost 38 hours after weight training. Exercises that benefit this are the most full body workouts such as the deadlift and the squats. And last but definitely not the least, another common mistake that people make while trying to boost their metabolism is failing to maintain healthy sleeping habits. Insufficient sleep can lead to inflammation and high glucose level, leading to low energy. Good sleeping pattern is very important to follow. So if you're going to sleep at midnight and waking up at 8 a.m., make sure that you follow that. Avoid caffeine, eating heavy meals, and napping before the hours that you're going to sleep. And remember that when you're sleeping, you're actually burning calories. Boosting your metabolism through a balanced diet and regular exercise will help you burn more calories even while you're resting. So guys, the point that I'm trying to make is that you have the power to change your life and metabolism. So stop blaming your genes and take matters into your own hands. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Turn on my video notifications so that you don't miss out on any video. Till then, I'll see you next Friday, same time, same place. Till then, get fit, get going. अरे यार मज़ा आ गया यार वीडियो करके ये लग रहा है मेटाबॉलिज्म ऊपर आ गया है.